Today is December 13. Isabella is playing in her high chair with her toys. She has her Ferris wheel. She's pretty good at making noise with her Ferris wheel. And she has her keys. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, we're in the kitchen. Yeah, we're getting ready to cook. We're going to make some cookies. What happened? How'd you make that noise? How'd you make that noise? What kind of noises are you making, huh? She gets her fingers around there, and she knows how to pull it. Yeah. Yes, you do, because you're a smart girl. Yes, you're a smart girl, aren't you? You're a very smart girl, aren't you? I know you are. Yes, you are. We just had our milk, didn't we? Yeah. We just had our milk, and now we're just having a little playtime. I love you, baby. I love you, my sweet baby darling. I love you, I do. I love you so big. I love you so big.